Hey friends, Miss Yao here, and we're going to take a look at our homework for the week of October 30th. Fun fact, we don't have school on the October 30th. Yay! So, the two poems I'm going to do are Tuesday, number 2, and Wednesday, number 3. Alright, let's get started. Stacy created, typos. Stacy applied the rule, multiply by 3, subtract 5 to the following numbers. What are the next two numbers? So I should say Stacy applied the rule. Okay, so Stacy said multiply by 3, subtract 5. And then the rule repeats. Multiply by 3, so the next would be subtract 5. And then it repeats again, multiply by 3. So let's figure out these numbers. All right, we have 30 take away 5. And I could stack it and solve it. I could also just solve it in my head if I knew. 0 minus 5 can't do it, so I'm going to borrow from here. That's 2. This becomes 10. So now I have 25. My next number is 25. Now, to get the next number, I have times 3. So I'm going to do 25 times 3. Now, you could stack and solve 25 3 times. 25, 25, 25. Or you could do our box method, which we've been working on in school. 25 times 3. What is 3 times 20? Good, that's 60. And what is 3 times 5? 15. If we stack and solve it, I just randomly changed colors there, your total should be 75. And then this pattern would pretty much continue on and on and on as your numbers get bigger and bigger. All right, that was pretty easy. Let's take a look at Wednesday, November 1st, number 3. Given the rule add 5, multiply 2, what is the 10th number in the following pattern? Okay, this one's a little bit trickier. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to figure out how many numbers are given to us as freebies. Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to figure out the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th number. Now let's apply the rule that it was given to us. Add 5, multiply by 2. Add 5, multiply 2. Okay, starting off, plus 5, that's true. And times 2. Then back to plus 5 times 2. And because the rule repeats, what's next? That's right, plus 5. So that would technically go all the way here. What's 34 plus 5? That's easy, 37. Okay, and next would be times 2. So now we need to figure out 37 times 2. And I'm going to go ahead and do it over here. 37 times 2. 30 times 2 is 60. 2 times 7 is 14. So combined, 60 and 14 would give me 74. So my next number is 74. Oh, what a large number. All right. Our pattern repeats again. So plus 5 times 2. Now it is plus 5. 74 plus 5, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Our next number is 79. The pattern repeats again, so now we are at times 2. And we're going to go ahead and demonstrate 79 times 2 right over here. We have 79 times 2. 70 times 2 is 140. 9 times 2 is 18. Add them up. And you should have 158. So our next number is 158. And our last part of our pattern is plus 5. And 158 plus 5, you could stack and solve it, or you could just count up 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163. 163. So our last number in our pattern is 163. All right, friends, our riddle of the week is Halloween themed because it is the week of Halloween. What did the skeleton order for dinner? Easy. Spare ribs. Ha ha ha, because a skeleton has ribs. Like a rib cage. Okay.